Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be using double angle identities to evaluate cosine 2 pi over 3, sine 2 pi over 3, and tan 2 pi over 3 without a calculator. There are other ways to evaluate these without a calculator as well, but we're not going to be talking about those today. Today we're specifically going to focus on evaluating these without a calculator with using the double angle identities. So let's start with the first one, cosine 2 pi over 3. So to do this, let's first break this down into the fact that this is the same as cosine of 2 times pi over 3. So that would make the angle A, in this case, pi over 3. So according to this formula here that we're going to use, therefore this would be equal to cos squared pi over 3 minus sine squared pi over 3. Since pi over 3 is our A value here, since the number in our that we're taking the cosine of is 2 pi over 3. Now, for cosine, I know there are two other formulas as well. There's also this one, and we can actually use any of the three of them and get the same result. All right, so now let's get into what is cos squared of pi over 3. Well, we can figure that out by using a special triangle, right? If we head down here to our special triangles, a reminder that cosine of pi over 3 would be adjacent over hypotenuse, so that's going to be a half. So let's write that in. This is just a half squared. And then sine squared pi over 3, well, that's going to be root 3 over 2 squared, right? Opposite over hypotenuse. And then that's just going to be 1/4 minus 3/4, which is negative 2/4, which is negative 1/2. And we can actually type this in our calculator to be sure that that is accurate after we're done. And yes, that is indeed what we were expecting to get here. So that's good. Okay. Let's try the next one, which is sine 2 pi over 3. So this is equal to sine of 2 times pi over 3. And then according to our double angle formula, sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. So therefore that's equal to 2 sine pi over 3 cos pi over 3. And we already earlier figured out that sine of pi over 3 is a half, and cosine pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. So we can just sub those in again, 2 times a half times root 3 over 2. And these will just cancel, so therefore the answer is root 3 over 2. And there we go. All right, our last one is tangent of 2 pi over 3. So same thing here. This is going to be equal to tangent of 2 times pi over 3. And let's see, that is going to be equal to 2 tan pi over 3 over 1 minus tan squared pi over 3. So essentially just using this formula here, but replacing the a with pi over 3. So that's going to be 2 tan pi over 3 all over 1 minus tan squared pi over 3. Okay, then we are going to find tan pi over 3. So tan pi over 3 would be opposite over adjacent. So that's going to be root 3 over 1, which is just root 3. So in the next step, I'm going to replace the tan pi over 3's with root 3. And then we'll just simplify this further. So this is then equal to 2 root 3 over 1 minus 3, which is 2 root 3 over negative 2, which that's just going to be equal to negative root 3. So our final answer for that one is negative root 3. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.